Hey guys, so I wanted to show you the mess that I'm making today. In this video of SV Gypsy Soul, we complete some much needed interior upgrades, find and fix a water leak, and finally go for a day sail. I'm sanding the steps by hand because, well, for one, they look like that, and for two, I kept finding black sticky little globs all over the boat. Well, and come to find out, it was from these nasty treads that were on there, and they were actually coming apart, sticking to our feet, and then we're traipsing them all over the boat. So I was like, nope. Took those off. Got these nice, cute ones at West Marine. Put it up there, and I was like, oh, but the wood looks like crap. So now I'm redoing.
2 hours later.
Okay, so that's as far as I'm doing with the sanding. I could sand and sand and sand forever and still not get all that stuff out. Whatever, I think it's fine. And I went ahead and stuck the treads down to the raw sanded wood because I thought they would stick better on that as opposed to the finish. So
getting the painter doing a little work here. She's got a better patience than I do for fine finish work. I'm more the rough carpenter kind.
well, you're also the diesel mechanic, the plumber, and the electrician, and I am not. So I can make it look pretty.
Yeah.
And you just sweat all over it.
That's right. I just sweat all over it.
So I just wanted to show you guys how nice the stairs turned out. I think they look pretty good. Hi guys, so I wanted to show you the project I'm working on today. So this countertop area got messed up. Didn't really want to sand and restain all of this woodwork. Oh, so what?
Messed up by her
Oh, I wasn't gonna name any names of who messed it up, but someone. Anyway, I wanted to show you what I'm planning on using instead of sanding and restaining and all that process. I'm gonna do it in this product. I did it before on the carver that we had and it turned out beautiful, so I think I'm gonna do it again. Are you gonna help me paint? No. Okay. First step is black base coat. Oh, come on, honey. He just said he's unwilling to taste bilge water to see if it's salt or fresh. So I got all of my sections primed. Now we just have to wait 8 hours for it to cure. And then I can come back and start doing the fun part. Yay! What do you think? Well, so I was gonna start on my countertop project again today because the black is all dried and ready for the fun part, but we got a freshwater leak and now we're attempting to fix it. It is, yeah, all the way down and here. That's gonna be lots of fun. What do you think? Yeah, fun.
You might have to help. Pull that. You're gonna have to get that out of that cabinet so it can pull towards you.
Yeah.
Do I need to pull some back? Keep it. Go ahead now. It's out of my sight now. It's fine. Just tell me when you're doing it.
I'm pulling.
Hang on, hang on. Okay. Are you? I think you look. Are you still pulling?
Not at the moment.
Okay. Well, I can't tell.
That is not permanent.
Yeah.
Well, we got it pushed through that end. And we got it pulled through there. And it actually went better than we thought. Okay, well, all the pipes in place. Pressure water's on. We don't hear or see it spraying anymore. So,
But we couldn't find the bad spot visually in the old hose we took out, the old tubing.
yeah, so.
We were a little nervous there for a minute, but it's also not under 50 pounds of pressure.
We still got some water in the bilge, so I'm gonna suck that out real quick. Yeah, this was actually not real quick because we had a lot more water in the bilge than we thought. It took a while before it quit flowing in from other places, but it finally did. Well, we got it all put back together and it doesn't seem to be leaking.
Knock on wood.
Yeah,
Touch wood, whatever.
Touch wood. First color. Back to painting the countertops in the aft cabin. I actually didn't do enough of this first color, so I went back and did some more. Second color. Doggy break. Love time. I'm actually easily distracted by my dog. Okay. Here's where I decided the countertops were still a little dark, so I went back and did more of the second and third color. Well, I am done for today. So we all need some minor tweaking, but it's not horrible. Yeah. I wanted to show you guys how the countertops turned out. I think they turned out pretty nice. Nice and shiny. 2 coats of the clear acrylic on top. So sturdy, good. I think they turned out really nice. Some of y'all might hate me for doing that, but I like it. My next project is making new cockpit cushions, and our very generous friends let me set up shop on their lanai. I was so thankful for the shade, and the view was lovely. The new cushions are in. I think they look great. They're not perfect, but it's definitely better than what was there. It doesn't take long in the summer for stuff to grow in the warm water on our hull, so it was time to get our hull cleaned. We hired Dockside Diving, a father and son team in our area. You can find them on Facebook. They did a great job. Here's all the crap they scraped off the hull. Wow, said the paint is still in good shape. So thanks to these guys, Dockside Diving, yeah.
I'm no plumber. I'm not a plumber.
What? You're supposed to be.
When you're on a boat, you have to be, but plumber, electrician, carpenter, mechanic. But I worry about sailing.
So we desperately needed to change the shower head. The one that was in there previously only came up to Steve's chest. It was laughable. Oh, now that's working properly.
So we do need to shower.
Okay. Oh, I mean, you know, that's how it's supposed to work.
You'll find the sweet spot. I'd rather have a quarter turn.
Yeah, but that push button is quicker
Yeah, it is.
if it works properly. Anyway,
And it doesn't shut it all the way down.
yeah. under the Sanibel Causeway. It's 70 feet. We're 63 plus an antenna. We're passing the Sanibel Lighthouse and heading into the Gulf. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me zoom in a little bit more. There's the Gulf. And Otto is driving.
Look, Ma, no hands.
Spinners? Spin? What do you think?
Yeah, because I'm a boat dog.
Go a lot smoother when you got somebody aboard who knows what the hell is going on.
Oh, thank goodness we have Greg on board. Freaking stink hot. I think he's in the process of converting. What do you think, Ken?
It's lazy sailing.
We're doing pretty good for our first time out. If you like our video, click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.